Good morning. Let us continue our chapter. Revolution, we are doing the revolution. Because of that revolution, what happened? The season changes. Now, if you see the figure was given on page number 36, one face of the earth was tilted towards the sun, like in the position first figure. If you see the first figure which is given of the 21st June, the one side of the earth was facing towards the sun, that is a northern hemisphere, and the southern hemisphere was not tilted towards the sun. So what happened on that day? 21st June was the date when the sun was overhead on Tropic of Cancer, and that is the longest day of the northern hemisphere, and that particular day only is the shortest day of the southern hemisphere. Now that's the reason summer season in the northern hemisphere and the winters having in the southern hemisphere, they experience a winters. At the same time on the earth's surface, when the northern hemisphere was facing the summer season, the southern hemisphere facing a winter season. After that, if you see the other position, that is a 22nd December. 22nd December, the southern hemisphere was facing towards the sun and the northern hemisphere was not tilted towards the sun. Now this phase, if you see, the northern hemisphere having the summer season, and the southern hemisphere was tilted towards the sun, so it having the summer season, and the northern hemisphere having the winter season. These two position of the earth, one side having the summer, the other side having the winters. This position is known as a solstice. It means sun standing still. Two solstices are there. Now the other position, if you see, that is a 21st March and 23rd September. These two position of earth is known as a spring equinox and the autumn equinox. These two equinoxes having a equal duration of a day. They having the day 12 hours of a day and 12 hours of a night throughout the earth, whole earth having the equal duration of a day. No days are longer, no days are shorter. And also in this position, earth was not tilted at any side of the earth, so the whole earth experience a whole earth experience a equal duration of a day. So these are the 2 days of a equinox. They are known as equinox. Equinox means a equal night. So this is all about your chapter. Now the question answer which is given at the back, that will be not enough for your exam. This both the chapter, the third and fourth chapter, second and third chapter, both the chapter having several objective questions. In the examination also, the many objective questions are there. So what happened? You have to learn line by line and word by word of this chapter. Like you can see, though it was given, many questions were given at the back, but in the examination, whole chapter you have to learn very thoroughly. Like maybe the question will come, what does the solstice mean, when the solstice occur in the northern hemisphere, in the southern hemisphere, when the longest day in the southern hemisphere, the shortest day of the southern hemisphere, what does the equinox means, what is the midday sun means, when it occurs, what is when get deflected, why season is reversed in the northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, why. So all this type of a question comes. Most of the objective questions from of your exam comes on this two chapter only. The online examination is there, no descriptive questions are there. The small objective questions, MCQ type questions will be there, and the options will be given. The 3 or 4 options will be given. You have to choose any correct. Now here what happened, you have to study very thoroughly question answer. You just leave it the question answer. From the chapter you have to learn each and every topic, learn by learn topic you have to learn, so that you will be able to learn. So all the best. Do it well your examination. Any query, any doubt you can ask.